Apply the supplied sock over the foot/dressing prior to device application. Ensure the foot is placed on the insole consistent with the initial fitting. Wrap liner securely around the foot and leg and place the front shell over the foot and leg. In the following order, fasten the ankle strap, the foot strap, and then the calf strap. Tighten straps until snug and comfortable. Note: strap adjustments may be necessary with changes in lower limb volume. The lower leg should be kept at a 90-degree angle with the foot. Use the positioning portals at the back of the device to confirm that the ankle is centered and that the heel is not pressed against the back of the device. Inflate air chambers by pressing plus on the air bulb and deflate by pressing minus. Inflate or deflate until snug. Note: the air system is designed with a feature to prevent overinflation. Before removing the device, deflate air chambers by pressing minus. Undo the straps in any order and attach the straps back to themselves. This will make it easier when fitting the device next time and will prolong the life of the straps. Open the liner to lift the foot and lower leg out of the device. Device plastic can be washed with a damp cloth and mild soap. Remove liner from the device before washing. Hand wash using mild detergent and rinse thoroughly. Air dry. Note: do not machine wash, tumble dry, iron, bleach or wash with fabric softener and avoid contact with salt water or chlorinated water. In case of contact, rinse with fresh water and air dry. Remove the entire insole from the device. Do not remove any additional hex plugs. Once the insole is fully dried, it can be reinserted into the device. The device and packaging must be disposed of in accordance with respective local or national environmental regulations.